on a dit que en attendant au lieu pour le Sénégal suñu neexee ñu toog fii ñu ne bokkuñu.
Look at this. xoolal lii li nice na.
Nice la. So just fly, don't fly. Don't fly, don't fly. He's the president of Senegal. Now he tried to run the UN here. So he's a killer, he's a murderer. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. ñu ngi nii en face l'ONU Nations Unies bu ngeen di dëgg. Merci beaucoup.
si réew mu mel ni Sénégal si at mu gàtt diir bu gàtt nga bàyyi ko mu am liberté di dox soxlaam mais barki Alxuraan neexu la wax quoi billaay
lépp jamaay la de.
lii dafa sax ñaaw nga jiite réew lii dafa ñaaw nga jiite réew gis ku def lii nga bàyyi ko muy joxe ay soxlaam barki Alxuraan amul lu gën a ñaaw lii.
jamaay moo ñu wor.
amul lu gën a ñaaw lii dafa sax ñaaw nga ay xale ay nit ñàkk seen liggéey ay nit dund lu métti. ay ñàkk seen jëf
ay avenir.
ay avenir dee nga bàyyi ki def loolu yow nga bàyyi ko muy taxawaalu adduna bi nii dañu tegaat ñun coono ñu nekkaat fii di jël suñu alal suñu temps di ko ci defaat pour maanaam di sàkku ñu si moom loolu dafa ñaaw
trop.
Please guys, do not vote, do not promote, do not help criminals. Criminals not good, nowhere, especially in the US. Please do not.
da ngay def programme nga jox ko flyers.
Stolen more than billions of dollars. And now he's running for a place here because charges have so Senegal was really trying to get it because he was time. So he's hungry enough to get it. He went to a different Mexican country. Because people have to notice, and obviously we are so disgusted that it even went through in the first place. Even from the US, are you going to vote for the eyes? Come on, you know what I mean? So for us to push this bill, this man is getting the headways, and nobody knew how he got in the first place. So the 22nd amendment they're going to
We take away from anything. The kids supposed to go to school. The kids supposed to go to school.
Yeah, exactly. We don't talk like this. We can do that. Yeah, I'll attend to some telling me. Yeah. If you go a little bit from there, you can double back the same thing like this. A couple of minutes after you're going to move. Before you turn up. I'm going to tell you. No, later.
You, again, we are here to tell the whole world that Macky Sall is a criminal, that Macky Sall is a terrorist, that Macky Sall is a murderer, that Macky Sall is a big thief and a liar.
Big time!
So therefore, we are telling the United Nations people, please veto Macky Sall. Please do not vote for him, because voting for him would be like voting for a criminal. It's like telling a fox to come watch our chickens. You know he's going to eat the chickens. So we are here to tell you, Macky Sall is trying to use the UN as a hideout, as a free jail card from prison in Senegal. Macky Sall was the president of Senegal from 2012 to 2024. He killed more than 87 people, innocent.